I first came across Guardian Roofing because the previous owners had them scheduled for every year, I guess the same day. So I called and I got an estimate. So the first year they cleaned the moss, it was great, but then the next year it came back. So Guardian had a plan that I didn't know about, which was do the moss cleaning in a particular way where there was a 3-year guarantee. So I did that, and every year you guys have come back and done a great job. And I've occasionally had like split boards because I have a shake roof and I call out and it's warranted, and so they take care of it. I so appreciate that you guys have professionalism, that you do what you say you're going to do. If people are running late, they call and say they're running late. And that is so different than the other experience I had here. So I highly recommend Guardian Roofing.